Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of Part 20 of the Holy Qur'an. This part covers the remaining part of Surah An-Naml, then complete Surah KAZSCHOOL and the introductory part of Surah An-Kabut. These are the two topics in the rest of Surah An-Naml. First, the 5 arguments proving the oneness of Allah. He is the creator of heaven, earth, rain and fields. He runs the system of land, canals, mountains and oceans. No one hears the cries of the helpless, poor and the sick other than him. He showed the way in the darkness of sea and land. He operates the system of winds. He created us the first time. He will create again. He is the only provider. Secondly, the events on the Day of Judgment. Blowing of the trumpet, the mountains will fly in the wind like clouds, the gathering of all on the day of resurrection, rewarding the good people for their good deeds and punishing the bad people for their bad deeds. The two main stories covered in Surah KAZSCHOOL are the detailed story of Moses and Pharaoh and the story of Moses and Qarun. 3 topics are covered in the opening part of Surah An-Kabut. Oneness of Allah. The idols of the polytheists and the worldly life they live were exemplified that it looks beautiful and complex but it's as weak as a spider's web. Prophethood. The trial comes from Allah. There are stories of some prophets in this regard. Details about the Day of Judgment.